Hi, and welcome to How to Make Money from an Email List, even if you're a complete beginner. My name is Dr. Pete, and I am a dentist turned online entrepreneur. This is video number 8 in a mini-series on easy ways to make money online, and we'll concentrate on making money from an email list. Later on, I will reveal the most important thing you must do to increase your profits hugely. First of all, I have to start with the phrase, the money is in the list. And it is. But how do you go about building one? Well, first you're going to need an autoresponder to keep all your leads on and to email out to them. There are loads of autoresponders out there. Some of the main ones are Aweber, GetResponse, and MailChimp. But my autoresponder of choice is Kartra, as it gives great deliverability. That is, it gets into the inbox rather than the spam folder, and has everything you would want on one site, so you do not have to make complex connections between different platforms. There is a Kartra trial for only $1 in the comments below. So now you have an autoresponder. How do you get people onto your list? You're going to need a squeeze page. This is a web page that has a very compelling headline to encourage people to give you their email addresses to get on your list. That again is easily hosted on Kartra. They also offer a bribe in the form of a free report, an ebook, etc. The headline should make a promise but not reveal how this will be delivered. This will make people curious and encourage them to enter their email address to find out. Never underestimate the power of optimistic curiosity. Send some traffic to the squeeze page and check out how it converts. You should have a minimum of 20% success. The best and quickest way to get traffic is with solo ads. You pay someone who already has a list to send your promotional email to their subscribers. The people who like your offer will opt in via your squeeze page and become a new subscriber on your list. It's important to use a good solo ad provider, so buy a small number of clicks to your offer at the start with and see what results you get. If they're good, then buy more. If not, then move on to another provider. From there, do A/B split tests where you change one part of the page, see how it performs, pick the winner and do it again. I promise to reveal the most important thing you can do to increase your profits, and it's this. The headline is the most important part of the squeeze page and should be the part that is altered and tested most, as that will give you the best results. The squeeze page headline is a difference between a successful email list that makes loads of money and one that fails. Right, great. Now you have a load of people on your list, so just blast them with affiliate links and your fortune is made. Well, I'm afraid not. The quickest way to lose your list is to try and milk it. You need to develop like, know, and trust before you make money. Your subscribers are far more likely to buy from you if you have a relationship with them. So either set up an email sequence in your autoresponder or send out a broadcast most days to engage with your subscribers. You may think, what on earth am I going to say in the emails? But it does get easier the more you write. There are also set subjects to write on, and you can learn about these in the Academy. You should aim for 2 to 3 content emails to every 1 promotional email. If your content is good, then your list will look forward to your emails and your open rates will be excellent, and so will your profits. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and hit the bell below to be notified when a new video comes.